In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-delete submissions with Jotform in just 5 minutes. Managing submissions can sometimes become overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with a high volume of data. Automating the deletion of submissions can greatly streamline your workflow and help keep everything organized. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll need to head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, it's quick and easy to set up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your Jotform workspace. From here, navigate to the form you want to modify. Take a moment to decide which specific form needs this feature. It's important you select the one where auto-deletion is most beneficial. When you've identified the correct form, click on Edit Form to access the form builder where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see various options at your disposal, allowing you to customize your form precisely to your needs. Next, you'll want to click on Settings, located at the top of the form builder. This section allows you to adjust various form settings and includes the key tools we need today. Once you are in the settings section, find Form Settings, which holds more options than initially visible. Click Show More Options at the bottom. This action will reveal additional settings that are crucial for this operation. Scroll through these additional settings until you find the section labeled Auto Delete Submissions. This option is the focus of our tutorial today. To enable this functionality, simply click the Enable button beside the Auto Delete Submissions section. Once activated, a modal window will appear, giving you the opportunity to make further specifications. Here, you will choose a time frame from the deletion period drop-down menu. This selection determines how long submissions will be stored before they're automatically deleted. Whether you choose a day, a week, or a month depends on your unique needs for data retention. After selecting the appropriate deletion period, click Next to review your settings carefully. Make sure everything is set according to your preferences, as this ensures that your data management is both efficient and secure. When you're confident everything is correct, click Yes Update to save and apply these changes. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully configured your form to automatically delete submissions, freeing up space and keeping your data management seamless. This powerful feature is ideal for maintaining a clutter-free account, allowing you to focus on what's truly important. Thanks for watching, and happy form managing.